Hello and welcome back, or welcome to Learn English Hub, the place where we turn language learning into an exciting journey. Today, we're going to talk about the ultimate roadmap for mastering English. Whether you're just starting out or already know a bit, focusing on the right things can supercharge your progress. So let's dive into the most important aspects of learning English and how to master them. First up, vocabulary. Words are like the bricks of a house. You need them to build anything. Without vocabulary, you simply can't communicate. But here's the trick. Don't try to learn all the words. Focus on the ones you'll use every day. Start with common words for food, travel, and emotions. Instead of just memorizing individual words, learn phrases. For example, how are you is way more useful than just knowing how. And prioritize high-frequency words. Those are the words that pop up all the time in conversations. Trust me, this makes learning much easier. Next, let's talk grammar. Think of grammar as the framework that holds your sentences together. If vocabulary is the bricks, grammar is the cement. Start simple with tenses: past, present, and future. For example, I eat, I ate, and I will eat. Once you've got those down, move on to sentence structure. Subject, verb, object, like she reads books. Finally, focus on common rules like when to use a versus the, and those pesky prepositions like in, on, and at. Mastering these basics will make your sentences clear and understandable. Now let's talk about pronunciation. The key to making sure people understand you. Even if your grammar isn't perfect, clear pronunciation can save the day. Start by noticing how English sounds differ from your native language. For example, the TH sound in think and the might take practice, as well as the R sound in right. And don't forget intonation and stress. English speakers emphasize certain words in a sentence like I did call you, to change the meaning. Practice these and you'll sound much more natural. Listening is often overlooked, but it's just as important as speaking. If you can't understand what's being said, how can you respond? Start by listening to native speakers through podcasts, TV shows, and music. Try out different accents too: British, American, Australian, to train your ear. Focus on catching the general idea instead of every single word. Over time, your brain will pick up the details automatically. Speaking can be intimidating. I get it. But here's the thing, you've got to start somewhere. Speak every day, even if it's just to yourself. Practice simple sentences like I like coffee or I'm going to the park. Don't aim for perfection. Just focus on getting your message across. And if you can, find a conversation partner or join a language exchange group. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become. Reading is a fantastic way to build vocabulary and see grammar in action. Start with children's books or articles written for English learners. They are simple and fun. As you improve, challenge yourself with blogs, novels, or news articles. When you come across unfamiliar words, use the context to guess their meaning. This method helps you learn faster without relying on a dictionary every 5 seconds. Writing takes everything you've learned and puts it to the test. Start small by writing about your day. Today, I went to the park and saw a dog. Practice common written forms like emails or messages. And don't be afraid to use tools like Grammarly to check mistakes and learn from them. Writing regularly will improve your accuracy and help you remember what you've learned. Language isn't just about words, it's about culture too. Understanding the culture behind the language will make you a better communicator. Learn idioms and expressions like it's raining cats and dogs. Study gestures and body language, and pay attention to formal versus informal speech. Knowing when to say hi versus good morning can make a huge difference in how you are perceived. And finally, the most important part, consistency and patience. Learning a language isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Set realistic goals like learning 5 new words a day and track your progress. Celebrate the small wins, like completing your first conversation in English. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. every step forward is progress. And there you have it, a complete guide to mastering English by focusing on the right things. Remember, progress over perfection. And most importantly, enjoy the journey. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a lesson. Drop a comment below with the area you're focusing on right now. I'd love to hear about your journey. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English.